Hello and welcome to another Bitcoin analysis. The bullish count just broke. In this video we break down what changed. The weekly picture first, then the last 30 days. Let's start with the structure. Wave 1, 69,000. Wave 2, 15,600. Wave 3 is underway and its second leg landed on the golden retracement at 57,800. That level still defines everything, but the hourly chart now warns that this second wave may not be finished. Here is why. Let's move to the hourly chart over the last 30 days. The bounce off 57,800 is not an impulse. Every swing overlaps, and doctrine is clear. When everything overlaps, the structure is corrective. It labels as a double zigzag. W to 64,700. X a 46% pullback. Then Y, whose final leg measures 1.618 times the first. Textbook. And here is the proof the bullish count is dead. Price broke below 64,400, overlapping wave 1. On a cash market, that count no longer exists. So the primary scenario flips. Below 66,900, the bounce is over. Supports 63,500, then 62,400, then 61,800. The alternative, reclaim 66,900 and the low holds. The plan. The bounce was corrective and 57,800 is back in play. Not financial advice. See you tomorrow for another Bitcoin update.